Guys, so this is a beginner skincare video, and in this video I'm going to explain how to use active ingredients like vitamin C and niacinamide in your daily skincare regime if you are a beginner. Now for beginners, using active ingredients in their skincare can be very tricky because firstly you don't know which active to put on your skin, you don't know how to layer two different actives, you don't know which products to use before using the active ingredient and after using the active ingredient. So I'm going to solve all of those doubts, answer all of those questions, and basically help you guys with a proper skincare regime to follow using active ingredients like this. So I have two products with me here, both are by the Derma. So the first one is the Derma 5% Vitamin C Daily Face Serum, and the second one is the Derma 5% Niacinamide Daily Face Serum. Now both of these are new launches by the Derma. They contain 5% concentration of active ingredients, that is 5% vitamin C and 5% niacinamide. Earlier Derma used to have 10% concentration of vitamin C and 10% of niacinamide, and that is exactly what I use in my skincare regime because I've been using these active ingredients for a really long time now. But if you are a beginner, you can start using 5% concentration. So firstly I'm going to talk about the individual benefits of both of these serums, and then I'm going to show you how to layer both of these serums and the correct sequence of skincare products to use in a skincare regime. Firstly, we have 5% vitamin C daily face serum by the Derma. This contains 5% of vitamin C, ferulic acid and multivitamins. Now vitamin C helps to boost collagen production in your skin, which helps to repair your skin, which helps to delay the early signs of aging, and it also helps to reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and not to forget the beautiful glow that it adds to your skin. Ferulic acid is an antioxidant which helps to boost the effects of other antioxidants, so that again helps to repair your skin, and it also helps to add a beautiful glow on your skin. And the combination of vitamin C and ferulic acid literally doubles up the benefits for your skin. Now a vitamin C serum is something that everyone can use irrespective of what skin type you have, what skin problems you have. No matter what it is, you can use a vitamin C serum in your daily regime because this only has a lot of benefits for your skin. Now moving on to the second serum, that is 5% niacinamide daily face serum by the Derma. This contains 5% of niacinamide along with alpha-arbutin and multivitamins. Niacinamide helps to fade away any blemishes that you have on your skin, be it dark spots, acne marks, or any other hyperpigmentation. It also helps to control excessive sebum production, thereby reducing the appearance of your pore size and also preventing acne. This also has alpha-arbutin, which helps to brighten up your skin by reducing sun damage like sunspots, sun tanning, and any other pigmentation that's caused due to the sun. And it's got multivitamins, which is good and nourishing for the skin. So if you have a lot of blemishes on your skin, if you have a lot of discoloration, or if your skin is sun damaged, or if you have large open pores, then you can go ahead and use this niacinamide face serum. Now let me show you the correct sequence of applying skincare products while using these active ingredients, and also how to layer vitamin C and niacinamide in your skincare regime. So firstly, you want to use a cleanser on your skin to make sure that your skin is completely clean before you begin with your skincare routine. I recommend using the Derma Creamy Cleanser. This is very gentle, it's meant for all skin types, and it's non-drying on the skin. Next up, you want to go in with the 5% vitamin C daily face serum by the Derma. You just need 3 to 4 drops of the serum. Make sure that you don't touch the dropper directly on your face. Just apply the serum all over your face evenly and then gently pat it into your skin. After using the vitamin C serum, you want to wait for 15 minutes for the serum to be absorbed by your skin before you can go ahead and use niacinamide serum. It's been 15 minutes and now it's time to use the niacinamide serum, and again you just need 3 to 4 drops of the serum. Apply it all over your face evenly and then gently pat it into your skin until it's absorbed. That's just how easy it is to layer vitamin C serum and niacinamide serum, and together both of these serums are going to bring amazing benefits to your skin. They're going to provide an instant glow, they're going to prevent acne, they're going to fade away any marks, any discoloration that you have, any signs of aging they're going to reduce, and basically they're just going to even out brighten up and give you younger looking skin. After using both of the serums, you want to wait for about 5 to 10 minutes for the serums to settle down on your skin, and then you can go in with a moisturizer. I really like this Derma Co Ceramides plus Hyaluronic Acid Intense Moisturizer. You just need a pea-sized amount of the moisturizer, dot it all over your face and gently massage it into your skin until it's absorbed. Now you can stop right there if it's the nighttime skincare regime. Just apply a lip balm and under eye cream and you will be done with it. But if it's the daytime regime, then you wanna use a sunscreen. And the one that I recommend for the summers is the Derma Co Ultra Matte Sunscreen Gel. This contains SPF 60 PA+++, which is a good amount of sun protection, and it's a matte sunscreen which makes it perfect for the summer season. And if you are using active ingredients in your skincare regime, be it daytime skincare or nighttime skincare, if you use actives, you want to ensure that you wear sunscreen every single time that you're exposed to the sun directly, or even if you're indoors and the sunlight is coming inside, you wanna wear a sunscreen. Do not skip on this. Also, always make sure to do a patch test, maybe on your jawline or at the back of your neck, before using any new product on your skin. So that's just how simple it is to layer 2 active ingredients, and that's the skincare regime that you can follow on a daily basis while using active ingredients like vitamin C and niacinamide. These are the 2 most basic active ingredients that you can use, that everyone can use in their skincare regime, and they have a number of benefits for the skin. Even though they contain just 5% of concentration of actives, do not worry, because they come with penetration boosters, which allows them to penetrate deep into the skin and give your skin all the benefits that your skin needs. So if you're a beginner, you can start off with these 5% concentration of active ingredients, and I highly recommend you check out these Derma Co serums. I have been using Derma Co products for a really long time, especially their niacinamide serum, and I absolutely love it. It's helped me to clear out my skin completely, and the reason why my skin is so good today, I give the credit to Derma Co only. They all tried and tested. They are formulated, tested and recommended by dermatologists, so you can definitely trust the brand. Moreover, Derma Co supports an amazing social cause. So every time that you buy from them, they link your order to a child that they help educate along with Bhumi, and they have pledged to educate more than 10,000 students across the year. So that's another reason to try out Derma Co products. And in case if you want to buy from them, you can use my coupon code Riya 2022 on Derma Co's website to get a 20% off. Apart from that, you can also shop on Amazon, Nykaa and Flipkart. So that was my video on how to layer vitamin C serum and niacinamide serum for beginners, and how to use these active ingredients in a proper skincare sequence. I hope I was able to solve all of your queries and doubts. In case if you have any more questions as to how to use these products or anything around it, then do comment down below. I would definitely answer your comments and solve all of your questions. And yeah, if you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel if you're new here, follow me on Instagram, and with that, it's a wrap for now. I shall see you in my next video.